Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to announce to you my tutorial for January. So each month I do up a tutorial of 4 projects. This is 4 cards using the Endless Love stamp set, which is this one here. And what I do is I do it PDF, so anybody who places an order gets the PDF with the video. And then if your order's over $50, I will send you a packet of supplies, cardstock, designer series paper, ribbon, embellishments, whatever I've used to you, so that you too can make the projects. The only thing I don't send is the stamp set or the dies. And so I'm going to flip my camera so I can show you that quickly. All right, so this is the designer series paper that we used this month. This is actually going to be available on Tuesday, January 6th for everybody. But of course, as a demonstrator, I get to order a little bit early. But love the hearts. This is just a really great paper for Valentine's Day. It's very bold. Colors I used were Flirty Flamingo, Real Red, and Strawberry Slush. Lots of pink. So these are the papers. So you'll get the paper ready to go. You won't get 12 by 12 sheets, but you'll get enough to complete the projects. I used, like I said, I used Endless Love was my stamp set this time around. And then I also used the dies that coordinate with Endless Love. And these are the dies, but I want to show you the actual size of the dies because they're much bigger than the picture on the front shows. So if you look at the dies, this big heart is great. And I used all of the dies, I believe, in my projects. So you can see those. All right. So let me quickly... Oh, let me show you the other stuff. So like I said, I used Flirty Flamingo and Strawberry Slush were the 2 ink pads that I used this month. I used this great ribbon, which is a bubble bath. Really thin little ribbon. It's really pretty though. I love the colors, and all the pinks are great. But these embellishments are like the bomb. So these are the embellishments. I don't know if you can see, but there's like little envelopes. There's lots of little hearts. They kind of have rubbery texture to them. So you won't get a whole container of embellishments, but I will pop in enough so that you can complete your projects. But look at how cute they are. They're so cute. All right. Also, I used the 3D embossing folder. This one is called Hearts of Love. I think you can see that in there. This too will be available on January 6th, Tuesday. All right. So here are the cards that I made. This one here is mostly stamping, but I do have some die cuts in there. It's all done with Strawberry Slush. But you can see that these are die cuts. These are some of the hearts. These are stamped. And then I also have some of those little embellishments on there too. So just a bunch of different little hearts. All right. Then I did this one. This uses that big die. Uses lots of dies because it has the littler dies too. With that bubble bath paper, Flirty Flamingo, and then the Real Red. And this one, as you can see, uses the embossing folder, but just a lot of layers. This was a lot of fun. And this cute card, I love these little envelopes. I'm going to show how to make those on Thursday night. And then, of course, I put some little embellishment envelopes on there because I think they're so stinking cute. So that is my tutorial for January. Like I said, if you place an order with me, you will get a link to the video and the PDFs. If your order is over $50, you will get a packet of supplies from me, which I'm going to ship out a little bit earlier this month because I want people to get them. So if your order is placed in the first half of the month, you will get the tutorial or the packet in the second half of the month. And then anybody who orders that second half of the month, I will send out the tutorials, but I'll probably try to get them out right at the end of the month because I want to make sure that you get them in time for Valentine's Day. All right, so there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't already done so, you should sign up for my newsletter, www.DDStamps.com. It's a great way for me to keep you informed about what's going on, the activities that I've got going on, and any specials that Stampin' Up is having. And they do have some things coming out January 6th. So there's a new catalog, there's new online exclusives, and there's a special going on too that you might want to be aware about. I'll let you know. Take care and have a great day. Thank you.